Hello Warriors, Russell Wright from networkempire.com and g++.com. This is the new and improved, updated for 2013 Google++ course. And it's the only course out there that teaches you a combination of curation and mass syndication when it comes to using Google+. Also, we're the only course out there that really talks about the tale of two Googles. This is last year when we talked about how Google has become a split personality in the sense that from the user's perspective, there's two kinds of Googles, the social algorithm combined with the Google legacy natural language processing algorithm. And when you put those two things together, what you have is a cybernetic model that Google is quickly moving towards. And what I mean by that is when you go to the search engine results page, you probably have noticed that you see two different possible views. And these are things that people just slide all over whenever people are launching these Warriors courses and the rest. It's all about panda and penguin and zebras and whatever black and white animal comes next. Well, the interesting thing is that's pretty much only dealing with what we call a Google legacy. In the upper right hand part of your screen when you're logged into Google, this is the hide personal results area. This is Google legacy, and these are what you consider to be the natural search engine results. People don't know that Google Plus can get you ranked if you have a private account or even a page and you start updating that, just like you have a status update in Twitter. You could put a lot more than 147 characters in Google Plus on a status update. They actually get ranked on the search engines. We get plenty of long tail, mid tail, and even competitive terms ranked using our Google Plus status update from all of our various blog networks. So you can see here that install this Google Plus bookmarklet. This is something I posted months ago. I don't care much about this. It took me less than 30 seconds to post. It's ranked for Google Plus bookmarklet, which is a fairly competitive term, mid tail to long tail term. We're not ranked very high for it because I haven't optimized it. I did nothing. I did no inbound links, but people started plussing it and using the bookmarklet advice. And so now I still get traffic every day from this term. This is one of thousands of terms on the Google legacy results. Now, if you actually click the other area, this is Google Personal. A lot of people, for some reason, feel like this is the only thing that you get ranked for using Google Plus. And I've just shown you that that's not the case. You actually get ranked in the traditional search engine, the so-called traditional search engine, as well as the personal results. Okay, you might even get ranked at different positions depending upon how social your comment is in Google+. So when we're talking about Google+, we're talking about this little area here. This is a persona that we have for Google+. On a blog, it's a one-to-one relationship, one blog to one Google Plus account or one Google dashboard. We teach you how to do this in the updated course even better. And you can see that we use open graph and images because we get a lot more social interaction when there's video images, okay? And so we teach you how to create a feed so that every time something is posted on your Google Plus account, you can just create a feed out of it using the new free trial. We're giving all Warriors for 2013 and starting now a free trial of our rather difficult to build G+ RSS generator. Okay, when you go into the projects, many of you have probably tried the free generators to create a RSS feed out of your Google Plus account, and they only create RSS feeds out of your status updates, not your shallow pluses. Okay, that's just whenever you click that plus button, anytime you're surfing as your identity on Google, you actually create something inside your logged in Google Plus area called the +1. We call it the shallow plus because you do not have to create a status update. Okay, and you can only see that when you're logged in, but we are actually turning that into a feed. So that can go out. You can actually use it as a +1 curation tool. Imagine every time you plus something on the web, it goes out to your RSS feed and it's getting syndicated through all the RSS directories because you have them submitted. And we teach you how to do this in this course. It's the ultimate curation tool. And we recommend that you plus your own stuff. You have your outsourced team plus your own stuff, and you teach your staff members how to plus your own stuff. Plus we create the RSS. You just right click on this and you'll see that you have your RSS feed generated. Okay, this is great because let me go ahead and show you the process, what we're talking about here. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your RSS, you're going to create your G+ page or personal account. You're going to get your RSS code. It works with the personal G+ ID, and our software also works with the business page ID. Okay, and then you generate the code using our software that I just showed you. Okay, create your two types of G+ RSS feeds. Currently, it's the only tool on the market that does create both RSS feeds for a deep plus and a shallow plus. We show you what all that means inside the course. Okay, You won't hear it anywhere else, really, not quite like the way that we teach you how to promote with it. Yes, there is a fee after the first month, $9, and actually for everybody else who is not a warrior, you have to pay up front. But we're giving you a free 30-day trial on this software for all warriors for the G Plus course 2013. A single RSS package is $9 a month. It's affordable for everybody. A 3-pack is $17 a month, and for 3 unique identities or personas, and unlimited is $47. And this is for people who really are doing a lot of auto blogging and have a lot of content or a lot of curating content. It costs us money to update the RSS feed because Google is changing things probably every 20 minutes. So this is just a fee, a recurring fee to pay for the updates, okay? And it generates an RSS feed. After you've generated your RSS feed, you can syndicate it out to the rest of internet land, okay, using the various RSS directories. I do show you what our team uses to syndicate our RSS feeds. It's not different than many of the things used in the past that many of you probably already know. However, we do have a few tips and tricks on how to splice with video, how much more effective we are with video, especially with Open Graph. Open Graph is something I've seen not talked about very much in the Warriors Forum, sadly. Open Graph can mean the difference between a 3 and 20% increase in click-through rate because of the way you set up your Facebook page and that your blog has a specific image and or video thumbnail hanging off of it. You know what I'm talking about. When you're in Facebook and you put a link there and it has a drop down with an image or a video image or even a video, you get amazing amount more click-through rates when you have Open Graph enabled functions. And we show you how to make that happen. And when you syndicate out through RSS, despite what anyone says in the Warriors Forum, some of the big gurus in the Warriors Forum is saying automatic RSS feed and automatic RSS submission is dead. Not true when you know what you're doing. We're doing hand over fist traffic just when you know how to include video in Open Graph. We show you how to do that. So you can mass syndicate to the RSS services. Note, it's especially powerful when you use video and proper Open Graph thumbnails. Now, the advanced bonus that I'm going to give you has to do with another kind of joint venture. There's another plugin that we actually did discover on the Warriors Forum, surprisingly. And it's a very, very good plugin created by some friends of ours. And we're going to show you how we use that plugin in conjunction with our mass syndication. It's a G Plus Auto Poster plugin. I use it in addition to everything that I'm showing you here so that I can, hands-free, just continue to create auto blog postings. And then my one-to-one persona or Google Plus identity with that blog will automatically get posted. It's really literally hands-free. Let me show you, for example, what I'm looking at here. Okay, so here is an example of one of the many, many video sites, the hundreds of video sites I have out on the web that post automatically and update automatically. There is a persona. You can use a staff member, you can use a family member, and I'm not suggesting that you do anything against Google's terms of service, but here is a persona tied to a blog called afraidofthefuture.com, which is a test blog that we have. I use my friend's plugin, which goes right into the blog and will automatically, every time I have a post or an update, you can see this was posted yesterday at 2:53 p.m. Now that's great, and that's the plugin that they offer and they built, and we give them full credit. We give you a link to that WSO in case you don't already have it. And the reason I'm making a big deal, instead of just telling you what that plugin is now, is that we have over 30 hours of testing 3 to 6 different plugins to try to automatically post from your blog to Google+. And none of them work properly. All of them break except this one. And we actually took the time, myself and Sue Bell, the theme Zoom architect Sue Bell, took the time to actually talk to the developer, and he's, in comparison to other programmers that you might find on the Warriors Forum, he has a level of savvy that meets our standard. So we're happy to offer you this plugin for now as it being tested by us. It has consistently worked across dozens of my blogs without breaking. Now, why am I getting into this? Well, that allows you to use all of our RSS generation in a very powerful way. Because think about it, you can create any number of blogs, you can create a persona in Google+, you can post your Google+ status update, and you can generate an RSS feed and syndicate that out to the directories, and round she goes. What I've done is I've created a tsunami of traffic to my video Pinterest sites using this method. We don't cover all of that in this course, but we do cover how you can use any type of blog, automatically post to generate rankings, both on the personalized results and Google legacy to create what we call a perpetual Google Plus traffic machine. I hope this makes sense to you. It's not difficult, and we are offering to warriors only a free trial in the Google Plus 2013 updated course, starting now. We're actually launching it here in November 2012. And I'm creating several more videos. I let a lot of stuff slip that I was afraid to share last year because it was too new. We've tested it, it works, and we are offering it for the Warriors price only. We're not offering this, we don't have any other traffic funnels to this. We're going to keep this out until December, and we hope to see you on the inside. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Russell Wright from Network Empire. We look forward to seeing all the warriors on the inside of the Network Empire members area. Thank you.